line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. They ask you perpendicular, which means m is equal to minus a by b करना है. And after that, and having x intercept 3, which means x intercept 3, which means a comma 0 that is equal to 3 comma 0 that is equal to x1 comma y1. And we know here m is equal to minus 7, which means minus 1 by minus 7 that is equal to 1 by 7. But they ask you perpendicular. When they ask you perpendicular, we have to do or multiply with minus along with the reciprocal like this. Okay? And after it becomes as minus 1 because 1 by 7 reciprocal is 7 along with the have to multiply with minus 4, it is minus 7 which is m. So now you know the formula. Constant form y minus y1 that is equal to m of x minus x1. That implies just substitute this value here. Y minus 0 that is equal to minus of x minus 3. That implies y is equal to here minus 7x plus 21. Here minus 7x. Take to the left side is y plus 7x that is equal to 21 or 7x plus y is equal to 21. And next one, is that completed? Write that. And next question. And the next one is 7th one, okay? Or 8th one. Find angles between the lines. Find angle between the lines. Am I writing or not? Find angle between the lines root 3 x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus 3y, x plus root 3y is equal to 1. So we don't know what is the angle here. We don't know what is the angle here. Then what is the angle we can take? We can take an unknown angle which is theta. Okay? So we have to take m1 and m2. m1 and m2. So what is the formula here? Tan theta that is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay? Just take the m1 and m2 from here and just substitute this value. And you can also do the simplification after it comes to one angle. In the meanwhile, form of tan or tangent. That implies. So let me take m1 is equal to minus a by b that is equal to minus root 3 by 1 that is equal to minus root 3 and m2 is equal to here must say minus a by b that is equal to here minus 1 by root 3. So we got m1 and m2. Just substitute these values in this one. That implies or else take this as equation number 1 from 1. So tan theta that is equal to m1 means minus root 3 minus of m2 means minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus m1 into m2 minus root 3 into again minus 1 by root 3. So here minus minus cancel, root 3 will cancel, here remains only 1. So 1 plus 1 which will be 2. Is this completed? We come to the next step. Why? Root 3 into root 3 whole square. So square root will be cancelled. It becomes only 3. So which 3 is minus minus 3 it is. That's it. Because it is minus root 3 into root 3, which means minus root 3 whole square. Square root will cancel. It becomes only minus 3. That's what I did. Okay. And next one, if you see here minus to minus plus. So plus 1 by root 3. You are taking the LCM here. And again here 1 plus 1. Okay. That implies tan theta is equal to this one. And next one, tan theta that is equal to here. Everything is in the mod form. So which is minus 2 by 3. But we can take as plus 2 by 3 because we are in the this value in the mod form. So which is 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. That implies tan theta that is equal to 1 by 3. That is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. That implies theta is equal to tan inverse of tan 30 degrees. Here 1 by root 3 means we can write in tan as 30 degrees. So theta is equal to 30 degrees we have two parallel lines. Okay. So according to the linear phase, we can write as 180 minus theta. That implies 180 minus 30. That is equal to 150. So we have 2 points here, which is 30 under 150. Like this. Still any doubt there? The line through the points h comma 3 under 4 comma 1 intersect the lines 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0. At right angle, find the value of h. Find the value of h. So first of all, we should know that m1 and also m2. Okay. Because here m1 means minus a by b, that is equal to minus 7 by minus 10, that is equal to 7 by 9. That's it. Next one here, m2 means here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is equal to, take this as x1, y1 next to y2. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. So here 1 minus 3 by 4 minus h, that is equal to minus 2 by 4 minus h, like this. Okay. Now the formula is m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 2. This is the formula. Just substitute this formula here. That implies minus 2 by 4 minus h into 7 by 9, that is equal to minus 1. Here minus 14 by, multiply here 36 minus 9h, that is equal to minus 1. That implies minus 14, that is equal to, multiply here, it is minus 1 into 36, it means minus 36 minus 2 minus plus 9h. That implies, take this minus 36 to right side, then it becomes as 9h, that is equal to 22. That implies h is equal to 22 by 9. Now we got this value of h. Read out here. Yes. And write the next question. Write the 10th question. 10th question is so easy. You just have to prove that. Then what we done here up till now. You just have to prove that. Will you do 10th question? Just look at it. May I do? Okay, I will do it. So prove that the line to the point x1 comma y1, this is theorem, x1 comma y1, and parallel to the line ax plus dy plus c is equal to 0, ax plus dy plus c is equal to 0, is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1, a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 is equal to 0. Here normal term is m is equal to minus a by b, and the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. You just have to substitute here. That becomes as, that implies here x1 y1 means x1 y1 only. So y minus y1, that is equal to m means minus a by b of x minus x1. So when you are doing this cross multiplication, along with this minus a of x minus x1, take to the LHS, it becomes as a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1, that is equal to 0. That's it. Actually, there was already formula. There was a theoretical formula. That's it. So how we are simplified, how we have done the calculation is apart from this formula actually. So they gave us again formula directly. That's it. But